Hello everybody, my name is Vanna.C and today I have something to tell you. It is I'm not creating a storybook story, I'm creating my own story, okay? So, you know, the guy, I'm going to introduce you my garden, okay? So the government planted these flowers, those are white in color. And he even planted those yellow flowers over there. And do you know that Singapore is a city in nature? Yeah. Come on. Look, the government even cut those leaves very nicely and beautifully. Do you like it? I'm glad you like it. And look, the government even planted those flowers on a tree that is red in color. And do you know not this sky garden is only the garden that we love? Garden by the Bay also can be a garden, just like a very big garden that is full with lights. Do you like Garden by the Bay? Yes, I'm glad you like it. Come over here, let me show you a fun place to. Here the children can play because there's a very big space. And the adults can rest on this bench. And do you know where's my garden? My garden is called Sky Garden. And do you know that my garden is nearby my house? Yeah, it's in the same level. And we don't need to take the lift. And it's even in HDB where I live. And anyway, that's all for today. Goodbye, and I have something to tell you. Please keep Singapore clean and green by not littering. Goodbye.